See, I'm just afraid, even with the battery operated drill, I might not have enough oomph. This is so tight that a worst case scenario, I could spin and break this off, or the drill's just not going to do it. So I don't think I really want to take that chance. You saw how nice and easy the bottom one went. I mean, it still took a little effort to get that in, and that was at a 1/4 inch hole. So you know what? I think I'm going to have to take this door down, and it's going to be. See, I didn't tighten this one up all the way, and I'm glad I didn't, because with the one-way screws, you're going to have to grab it with a pair of vice grips on the outside. And now I can unscrew it, see? That's how you get the one-way screws out. So I'm going to take these out and drill that 1/4 inch. That's my decision. I'm not going to be defeated. 1/4 inch drill bit. See, my drill bit would have had to have been 1 1/4 inches longer to get all the way in there if I would have left that support on there. That's why I had to take it out. Now it's plenty long. There we go. Let's try that again. Yeah. Boy, see, that was a 1/4 inch hole, and that's even going kind of tough. Holy cow. I'll have to take this down again and ream out the 1/4 inch just a hair. I think I'm going to. Jeez. Thank goodness for vice grips, huh? Thank goodness for vice grips. Thank goodness, yes. I want that. There's no need for it to go in that tight, especially using that kind of drill. It's just not going to work, is it? I'm not even sure if a battery operated drill would do it. And I'm just going into a Douglas fir door jamb. Not even going into a wood 2x4 behind it, but sometimes that may be going into the king stud, and that stud could be 25, 30 years old, depending on how old of a house you put this on, right? Okay, Raymond, I will go. By Joe, it's almost enough to create some new words. Okay, I'm just gonna ream this out a little bit. Back and forth, kind of wobble it. Okay, that should do it. That should do it. Wobbly, wobble it a little. Okay, that's going to have to do it this time. That's going to have to do it. Okay, I'm going to try it again. This cracks me up too. Some viewers might say, hey Joe, get on with it. You're not a professional. I'm showing you exactly what's going to happen when you do this. And hopefully cut out a few steps along the way for you. Do I install these professionally for a living? Of course I don't. And you won't either. Well, these are just some of the steps. I'm sorry, these are some of the steps you're going to need to know. The tools that you need and everything else on how to do this. Once you do one, you'll know exactly how to do the next ones. That is, if you got any more to put up, right? Yeah. Third time's a charm, huh? Yeah, that's going hard too already. Wow. Take a look, see how we're going to do with these other ones. I'll make sure you can see what's going on. I'm sure you can. Looks like I got to pull it over just a bit. Yeah, okay. See, that's going in tight too. And I already reamed it out. I reamed out the 1/4 inch. And when I get up there on the high one, see, I don't have enough oomph. I have a hard ump here because I'm kind of at an angle on the ladder. Not sure if I can get this. Nope, it's not going to go. It's not going to go all the way, is it? Look at that. Look at that. You tell me I got to ream that out a little bit more? Oh, brother. Yeah, how hard could it be? This is the type of stuff that you're probably going to run into. But you know what? Stick with it. You can do it. You think this was going to be easy or something? I mean, in hindsight, yes, just screw it in and be done with it. That's why I like to use lag bolts and a socket set. I could run the screw in there, take it back out, and all that. Much easier. Then put it in, paint the heads, and away I go. Then I wouldn't even have to use these one-way screws, you know. So I'm going to ream this out some more. 1/4 inch drill bit here. Yeah, I didn't think I'd have to go that far. It's still going to hold plenty though. You saw how I couldn't even get the screw in. Mercy. Okay, and in reality, that top screw there, even if I got it slightly loose, all the weight is down at the bottom for my purposes, isn't it? But you know what? Even that amount of reaming, it's still, I have a feeling it's still going to go in hard. I still think it's going to go in hard, and there's not much more reaming I can do. If I had the next drill bit size above 1/4 inch, man, I'm almost thinking I could use that. Okay, let's ram that puppy in there.